So we have this style tag. It's changing all my buttons, and I don't want this. I want this to be a custom element, so that's the first thing I want to do. So I'm just going to create a new element over here, like FCC. And I need to register this, otherwise this doesn't mean anything. So I'm just going to create that. We're creating this function which is going to execute once we attached our button on the DOM, which is already happening, so it's going to execute. And then we have the document.register element. Right? So we have this. What I'm going to do is just inner HTML something. Okay, this is the first step. So here's our element, FCC button. Okay. So we register our custom element, that's cool. The second step is we want to reuse this. We don't want to like put all this on a string and then insert this as an HTML. We want this to be a template that I can reuse other times. So we're just gonna wrap this on a template. Okay? So now I have all this on a template. If you check this out, we have the template. So why we're not seeing the button anymore? Any idea? It's inside of the template. I'm not cloning it. I'm not doing anything of the template. So it's inside here, and this is not being executed at all. So we want to duplicate this and put it inside of it. So we can do that as we did on the last example. So let's just go ahead, fetch our template, get the content of that, have my template full, and instead of, no, let me clone it, like make a copy, and template.clone node true, and append this. Does this make sense? Same thing as the last example. We registered our element. We are creating the template for that. We are cloning the template. We're making a copy of that template. And we are appending this inside of our element.
Where you registered that you did prototype my button down at the bottom, document register element.
Like this.
No, yeah, down there.
I could do like this, but then I had to change this and have prototype.
Oh, because usually, okay, I got it now. Because we're doing element before they got it.
Let's check this out. Cool. So now I have my button. But still, I can see what is this. Oops. This is.
How's that?
Oh, this is a very good example, actually. Here's the thing.
Sorry, what did you add to the HTML on the console on the browser? What you said? Oh, here we go. What just got added from before the template?
What's got added before the template?
Before you added this template clone node thing, what
just go ahead and like any message over here. Oops.
So that's there. Yeah, well, I know that's there, but in terms of, you said that something got added down there.
Sorry, I don't get it. What's the
button
question?
got added to the shadow. That's what, but it's not bold, so you don't see it.
The book.
So-
But we don't have a shadow yet.
Right, we don't have a shadow yet.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's not about the shadow down.
Right.
Everything we put inside of a template, it's not gonna be rendered. Remember when you put the image inside of the template? This is not gonna be rendered. Everything I put inside of the template, not rendered. That's the rule. And if you want this to appear, then we can just copy that and then put inside of round.
And what's the difference between attached callback and create callback?
So one is triggered when you create the object, and the other is triggered when you put some element on your page. On this case, you can use both. We are triggering both. Any questions about this one? What's not making sense?
It really helped me to kind of like take that and then just do it again and just create some code and then do it again and create some code and you know, just to let me just redo this example 3 times. So
And this is not trivial. It's like
yeah, I encourage everybody to do that. Like, I don't know, does anybody want to see the one I did?
Yeah, good.